This is impressive.
Oh, thanks.
You tell me a bit about the car?
Yeah, my dad bought it in '57 in Compton.
Oh, wonderful.
And then we drove it as a family car till the early '70s.
Yeah.
And then it was parked till '86 when I was in high school.
Wow.
I got it driving in high school. But it was all rusted out, beat up, rats living in it. So I redid it once in high school, and then I redid it this time in probably '95, right after I got out of college. And,
Yeah, excellent. So it's literally been in the family all these years.
yeah.
That's so rare.
Yeah.
So all the more it's awesome.
Right now is like I said, I think I finished it in '96. So going on 30 years.
Wow.